Hey guys, Ramsey with Spraywell back with a short video today going over a common question and showing you that solution. The question today is how to change an O-ring. Usually these quick connect fittings will start to leak when you see this inner O-ring start to be broken or be slightly mangled almost due to the constant pressure and water going through it. Today I have one of our quick connect fittings as well as a picking tool. As you can see, just something like this, slightly angled with the point on it. And this is super simple to replace. I'm just going to show you how to do it. You're going to take this pick right side up, hook it under this O-ring. It's super simple and it just comes right out. Some tools will make it a little bit harder. This one is just perfect. It's almost like a 90-degree angle pick tool, and that is how you take it out. Now to put it back in, this is what I like to do. I like to just push it in there like that. And as you see, it's almost kind of halfway in there already. And just push it a little bit. And you'll feel it set in there like so. As you can see, back to it being inside. This is just a brief video of a common question. As you can see, you just need one of these picking tools and a brand new O-ring. Just briefly, I'll show you how quick you can do it. Pop it out, put a new one in, like so, and just push it back in. This is obviously very simple because this is a new quick connect fitting, but if you have this proper tool and you get a little bit of experience, you can do it rather quickly on the job. It is ideal to have backup O-rings and even backup fittings, as you never know that they might break, and these pieces, though very small, are completely vital for your system. If you have any more questions, you can reach us at spraywell.com or give us a call at 561-964-3228. And thank you for watching.